Hello friends, you are most welcome to the series Face to Face Part 3. Friends, you know that the main purpose of this Face to Face series is making you able to listen speech delivered by anybody in English before you. Because friends, if you have no capacity listening English properly, then friends, timely you can't respond and someone may laugh on you, and thus your spoken course will be useless for you also. So friends, you have to gain the capability of listening English well. Because friends, if you are attending any interview, then what will be happen there? You will be made out from there, and in group discussion also you will get less marks. And friends, your the whole year effort will be fruitless for you. Suppose after hard work you have got situation to appear any interview, and you are made out from there due to English, then friends, your effort will be fruitless for you. So friends, you have to increase the capability of listening English well. And friends, face to face series is helpful for you in this effort. And friends, in this face to face series, mostly you are getting two types of videos: Hindi to English and English to English. Starting two videos, friends, were depend on Hindi to English, and in those two videos, Fox and Grapes and Thirsty Crow, I recited you stories first in Hindi and then in English. And friends, in those two videos, sentences I repeated two times, three times. Thus, those videos were easier for you to understand. But friends, in today's video, English to English, I will speak, and you have to understand the sentences yourself. And also, I will not repeat the sentences. So friends, you have to gain the capability of listening English well. For this, friends, you have to try to catch the words, because if you are able to catch the words, friends, then you will be able to catch the sentence, and then you can understand English of the person who is speaking before you, and then timely you can respond. मित्रों, फेस टू फेस सीरीज के भाग 3 में आपका स्वागत है। और मित्रों, इस फेस टू फेस सीरीज का सिर्फ और सिर्फ यह उद्देश्य है कि अगर कोई सामने आपके इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार बोल रहा है, तो आप उसकी इंग्लिश को कैसे जो है तुरंत समझ लेंगे और तुरंत जवाब दे पाएंगे। क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो आपका स्पोकन का कोर्स जो कहीं से आपने किया है, वो आपके लिए बेकार हो जाएगा। और ख़ास तौर पे नुकसान तब होगा जब आप जो है कठोर परिश्रम करके आपने कोई लिखित परीक्षा पास की है और इंटरव्यू में आपको बाहर कर दिया जाता है। क्योंकि इंटरव्यू में आपको इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश ही जवाब देना है, और समूह संवाद यानी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में तो फिर वहाँ भी नुकसान होगा आपको। अगर आप जो है इंग्लिश को समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, जवाब क्या दे पाएंगे। तो मित्रों, फेस टू फेस सीरीज़ के जो भी वीडियोज़ हैं, उनको आप ध्यान से सुनिए, 2 बार 3 बार उनको जो है घर पे वही वीडियो देखिए और समझने का प्रयास करिए कि आज के वीडियो में जो है इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश क्या आपसे जो है बोला गया है, क्या आपसे जो है बात की गई है। शुरू के जो 2 वीडियोज़ थे फ्रेंड्स, उसमें हिंदी का भी हेल्प लिया गया था, हिंदी टू इंग्लिश थे, जिसमें प्यासा, कौवा और लोमड़ी और अंगूर नामक कहानी थी, जिसमें वाक्यों को मैं रिपीट करता था। और ऐसे वीडियोज़ भी आगे आपको मिलते रहेंगे, यानी 2 तरह के वीडियोज़ आपको फेस टू फेस मिलेंगे, हिंदी टू इंग्लिश वाले और इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश वाले। तो आज हम लोग इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश वाले वीडियो को देखेंगे। तो मित्रों, आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, you know that we live in a family, and living in a family is a boon, because if you live alone and suppose you are sick, in that case what will be happen with you? If you are sick and you live alone, then you have to fulfill your desire yourself. Suppose you have to purchase any medicine, then yourself you have to go there market, and you have to purchase the medicine. Suppose you have to purchase vegetable, then yourself you have to go there and you have to purchase vegetables. And like this other needs you have to fulfill yourself. And you are sick, in that case your sickness will be worse for you. Doctor has advised you for bed rest, and you are doing work yourself because you are alone. So friends, if you live in a family, then it is boon for you, because your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, and your other family members will help you. And after a few days you will be free from the sickness. So living in a family is a boon, because family protects a person. And same with your family, your society protects your family. As a family protects a person, similarly society protects a family. Suppose you have made your home in a forest, and at that place only you live with your family members. then what will be happen, because there are no other homes, and suppose there is any emergency, then who will come at night to help you, and even at daytime who will come, because you live alone in forest areas. So friends, society protects a family, because if you live in a good society, then the members of other family will come and they will help you. Suppose your house is on fire, then other persons will come and they will throw water, and they will help you to take out the household items quickly, and thus you can save your many items from burning. So friends, as a family protects a person, similarly society protects a family. And if in a state there are good societies, then the state will be nice. But suppose in a state, any one colony faces many problems, then we can't say that the state is nice, we can't say that the state is good. Suppose you have a chain and one link is broken, then the whole chain will be called broken. Similarly friends, if in a state a colony faces many problems regarding roads, regarding electricity, regarding other items, then we can't say that the state is nice. And if all the societies, all the colonies in a state are nice, then we can say that the state is nice, state is good. And many states makes a country, and if all states are nice, all states are good, then the whole country will be a nice place to live. And suppose all countries are nice, then the whole world will be nice, the whole world will be a good place to live for anybody. So friends, in this series we have seen that person to family, family to society, society to state, state to country, and country to world. In this series, person is the smallest unit. So if we want to improve our world, then we have to improve the smallest unit, person. And what is the requirements of a person? We have to know about it. The requirements of a person, first of all, is health. If a person is healthy, then he can do his work well, he can study, he can go to office timely, and he can think well also. Means ki every work nicely he will do. So being healthy is first priority of a person. But how will a person be healthy? For this it is necessary that he should eat healthy items, he should take proper diet. But friends, you know that this is the time of price rise, everything is at high rate. Suppose you have 200 rupees and you have a bag, a small bag, you go to market to purchase vegetables, then you know that in 200 rupees you can't fill your bag, because everything is at a high rate. So friends, in this condition, how will a person be healthy? Suppose in your family only your father earns something and other members don't earn anything, then in this condition it is quite difficult to survive, and everybody has to sacrifice his some needs. And if you sacrifice your needs regarding your food items, then how will you be healthy? So health is the first priority of a person, and if you want that you and your other family members must be healthy, friends, then you also will have to cooperate your father in earning something, because if all members of a family earn something, then at present time it will be easier to pass the life. But how will everybody earn something? For this, it is necessary that everybody should be educated, because you know that if you are educated, then it is easier for you to get any job. But if you are not educated, then for you there are only some options. If you are educated, then there are so many options for you. You may go in government area, you may go in private sector also. But so we have seen that education is a second priority for a person. But friends, you know that in our country the condition of education is not good. Our children have to cram the facts. They are forced to cram long question answer. And if you cram only and you don't understand what is written, then friends, you can get some marks in your examination. Simply you can pass the examination. But with help of this knowledge, you can't invent anything. In foreign countries, what happens? In foreign countries, students of those countries study in their own language. And in our country, what happens? Our students are forced to study everything English to English. I don't say that English is not good. It is very necessary for all of us. But friends, for this, we have to provide good strength to our children. Initially, we have to teach them English. From very first stage, we have to teach them English. But you know that it is just a fashion in our country to teach children English to English. It must not be only fashion. It must not be only fashion. It must be a need. And to fulfill this need, it is necessary that our children must get knowledge of science, maths, English to English from start. We should introduce not only conceptual topic but practical topic also. And if we are able to provide our children English to English, every knowledge from very first stage, then friends, we will be able to improve our education system. So English is need of the present time. And to gain capability in English, friends, it must be told to our children that they should prepare first words, because if they cram the facts, then they will not be able to absorb the things written English to English. So if they prepare words, then they will be able to absorb the topic written in the concept. So friends, this conversation will continue like this, and remaining words we will see in next video. Thanks to see the video.